So I have a question. After I urinate, should I wipe my private part with three tissues, or is it okay to just use one tissue and wipe 3 times with each wiping on the different spot of the tissue? Jazakallah khair.
Wajazakum. This is an issue of dispute. Is using one stone from different size permissible and counted as 3 wipes? Because we know that after answering the call of nature, the minimum wipes would be 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, odd numbers, but the minimum is 3. So using a toilet paper, if you're 100% certain that it is thick and there would not be any penetration or contamination or it leaking to the other side or soiling your hand, that would be 3 different wipes, inshallah.